Hey, hello guys. I gotta wait a few seconds before I say something. Okay, this is the final version of the PCB. I've been working with this for about maybe 2 weeks. I'm not sure if I've been doing this for 2 weeks. There were many changes to the PCB. I had to move traces. I had to relocate components. I had to make sure that all the values and the component had the same, the correct value or part number. As you can see on the right of the screen, you will see the component list here. Each individual components, or macro, better say macro, but this is a macro of the component, has been checked to make sure that I have the correct value. I have the component connected correctly, and everything has the ready word, so that means that it's being checked totally 100%. All 69 components, they've been checked 100%. So I had the 3D image of the PCB, and I don't know, I heard like a it's water falling. I don't know guys, you can hear that. There is water falling on the side of my home. You see what I mean? It's hard to make videos here, man. It's hard. It's really noisy. Look at that, a waterfall. Anyway, I shall continue with this. Don't mind about that. I'm just really picky. Alright, so this is a complete PCB. I was saying in Spanish, I really appreciate for those guys to donate to my channel, because I can use that money to now purchase the PCB, so I don't have to use much of my money. I don't have much money, so that really helped me out to, prototype this PCB. This is PCB version 1.0, right? So what I'm gonna do, I was saying that in Spanish on the last video. This is the final video about the Greenamp. Is that I'm gonna order just 5 PCBs to test it out, purchase the components, and I do not have a scope, but at least I can test it out with audio to see how good is the sound, and I will let you know how good it is, because I already tested the Wolverine, and the Wolverine, the PCB, is the same one. You see, stupid tablet. God damn it! Shut the. I hate that. Shut up. Take a turn off. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna upload the video just like this. I don't care. I know. I'm a human being. All right. So, I'm gonna order the components, and test it out with audio. At least with audio. So I will let you know how this circuit behave, how it's gonna respond, the sound, the quality. Probably, I hope that there is no home sounds or stuff like that. The distortion. I hope not. But yeah, this is the final PCB. It's done. I already regenerated the gerbers. I do have the gerbers here ready to go. I probably gonna give it one more check. These are the zip file. The zip file with all the gerbers, so ready to go. And the only thing I gotta do is just make sure that everything is fine. This is the image that you see right now. The 3D image is the final version. I use the gerbers to generate this 3D image of the PCB that you can see right here. So what I gotta do is just order the PCB. That's it. I'm completed. I spent maybe, I made a video, but it was, you see how noisy it is here. I made a video in Spanish that took me like 1 hour. I was checking this PCB for 1 hour and 20 minutes straight without stop. So I don't know which one it is. I forgot which one. Okay, I think it's this one here. No, that's not the one. Sorry about that. That's not the one. It's this one here. 539 megabytes. It's this one here. And then let me play a little clip. I don't care. I don't care. I'm gonna play a little clip. The end of the revision. You see, 1 hour and 20 minutes right here. So, when I realized that I completed the PCB, I was really happy. And let me play a little bit. I think the audio.
Míralo ahí, allá arriba.
Let me see.
Okay.
Entonces, okay, let me.
Está bien, tiene su conexión.
I realized that the
vamos a
PCB
el conector
is
de
complete.
negative.
So hold on, give me a second. I think right here.
Míralo aquí. Debe estar conectado en el cátodo del diodo 12.
Okay, sorry about that. It's all in Spanish, but I was using the common sense. Okay, I was comparing, making sure that one component in particular, a resistor, transistor, checking the connection. Okay, this resistor goes connected to this. This collector or this transistor goes connected to that. That's just an example. I'm just gonna play, and you're gonna see the end of the video. It's at 1 hour and 20 minutes, and then I realized that I finally completed the whole thing. It's finished, so I was so happy in Spanish. So I'm just gonna play the ending of this the revision of this PCB. So I'm gonna play. It's all in Spanish. Sorry about that. It's all in Spanish. So I was celebrating in another word. Words. Sorry about that.
Míralo ahí, allá arriba. Ok. Entonces está conectado al positivo del integrado. El positivo del integrado. Ahí está.
When I realized that it's complete.
Está conectado al integrado positivo. Muy bien. Entonces, el otro extremo de la conexión debe ir conectado al negative feedback.
I think I
el
had
conector de negative feedback.
A few more components to go.
Que continúe.
After 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Negative feedback. Míralo ahí.
1 hour and 15 minutes probably. Sorry about that.
Estoy casi.
There you go.
Estoy luchando por terminarlo hoy ya para salir de esto.
I got one more to go.
Muy bien. Aquí hay otra. Sí, no, esto está
That's the last component,
R30.
I think.
R31. Vamos a revisar
R31. I think that's the last component that I checked.
R31 debe estar conectada
It has to be connected
al inverso del integrado.
Okay.
So, vamos a revisar que esté conectado
072
a la parte inversa del integrado. Míralo aquí. Debe tener conectado un capacitor.
Yeah, the capacitor is connected there.
C10, que es de 1 microfaradio. Y el otro extremo va a la salida.
Okay.
A la salida, no lo veo que está conectado a la salida. Espérate.
All right. I was trying to realize
está conectado a la salida. El otro extremo está acá. Sí.
Right
Esa es la salida. Y está. Ok, estamos bien.
Okay, we got R33.
Ok. So, ¿cuál es la que estaba revisando? Espérate, hold on.
So we have R33. That's the last component. No, I'm sorry. R31.
R31 yo lo tengo conectado a tierra. Es de 1 mega. Es tierra.
1 meg resistor.
Esto es 1 mega.
There you go.
Ya esto está listo.
Ready. Listen.
Ok, muy bien. Vamos a ver, continuar en la lista. Y el integrado, no creo que haga falta que lo revise porque lo revisé tantas veces. Esto está bien.
I already checked many times. That's what I'm saying.
Tiene su conexión positiva de la fuente suplidora. Tiene positivo, tiene filtro. El filtro es de 100 nanofaradios. Eso no hay que revisarlo.
So I was realizing that I have everything correctly connected. The positive, the negative,
la parte negativa.
For the integrated circuit, the servo,
positiva.
The ground.
Este filtro es C9, está revisado. Sí.
Everything is done.
Okay.
Listen.
Espérate, ready.
Listen.
Por fin, ya terminé, puñeta. Holy shit. Man, por fin, finally, the PCB is complete. God damn, Jesus Christ. Finally, it's complete. Now it's done. Woo!
That's the last part of the video.
All components are connected correctly.
Oh man,
this is final. My God. Woo! Holy shit, I'm so happy. Finally, I complete the PCB. It's all correctly connected. Sorry about that. I'm so happy. I can just do I'm so happy right now. I can do a prototype. Oh, Jesus Christ! For finally, I complete the PCB. Now I
can stop the video. I have the intention to upload this video. I'm not sure you guys want to see that. It's a way too. I think it's boring. I'm not sure I want to upload this video. it's like 1 hour and 20 minutes of me saying, this has to be connected to this one, and then this one has to be connected to the other one. I'm not sure. Just let me know you want to see that. But this is in Spanish. The last part of the video is in English, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload that. It's too boring. 1 hour and 20 minutes of file. I'm not sure. Just let me know. I mean, probably might be interesting. So it's a good thing that I documented this, even though I have a weird tendency to put cartoons on my thumbnails. I don't have nothing else to put on it. But this complete. It's complete now, and the only thing I gotta do is order the PCB, order the parts, and test it out. I will let you know if this design is worth it to try out this design. I already have the power board. But it's gonna be a lot expensive for me to get this one here. This one is like $80 to get just 5 PCBs, because it's a larger PCB for 5 pairs of power transistors. It's this one here. Basically, okay, this is the Greenamp. All this area right here is the Greenamp, and this part of the circuit is the output power board. As you can see right here, we have the power transistors. We have the bias circuit to adjust the bias. We have the filter. This basically, I already asked Mr. Ostripper what is the purpose of this circuit. Is basically to filter out the ripple noise from the power supply. It's basically like a equivalent. Sorry if I cannot pronounce that correctly. Equivalent of a 20,000 microfarad capacitor. So we had the positive rail, and we had the negative rail. We had the output here. This is the coil, and this is the output for the speaker reload right here. This is basically the load of the audio amplifier. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is complete. I'm really happy. I'm glad that I went all the way through. Did I say that correctly? All the way through to complete the PCB. If the design behave correctly and sounds really good, I do not mind to share the file. If everything is fine, only if everything is fine, no distortions. If I have distortion, I'm not gonna share. So this is a prototype, so it's kind of risky, but at least it's not gonna be that expensive, because it's $16 for 5 PCBs. It's fine. I mean, I can do etching, but I will have to make another design with a single layer, too many jumpers. I really don't want to deal with that, so it's best to just spend $16 for a prototype, and if there is a mistake, I can fix it and try one more time. So is the best choice. If you purchase the copper clad empty blank PCBs and then you do etching, you gotta purchase the paper, the cartridge for the inkjet printer. I think it's the inkjet printer, yeah, and other stuff just to get it to work. Also the drill bits. You gotta purchase the drill bit. It's the same thing. It's best just to do a prototype, spend $16, and that's it. Yeah, that's the cost, $16. All right, guys, have a good day. I hope you like this video. We'll continue here. Now on the process of ordering the PCBs and ordering and to purchase the parts. It's so difficult to talk. All right, guys, have a good day. I hope you like this video. All right.